Have you ever wondered how some creators reach 1,000 subscribers in just 15 days? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. Hitting 1,000 subscribers is not just a number. It's a crucial milestone that adds a K to your subscriber count, building trust with viewers and boosting your confidence as a creator. Let's start with the Community tab. Most creators use it incorrectly, simply posting links to their videos. But did you know that the Community tab can bring you hundreds, even thousands, of free subscribers with minimal effort? In fact, I gained almost 600 subscribers in the last 30 days, and over 16,000 subscribers in total from the Community tab alone. Here's how you use it right. Like videos, community posts have their own algorithm. If your posts get no engagement, their reach will decrease. So instead of just promoting your videos, create hype posts a few hours before your video goes live. Build excitement and let your audience know something big is coming. Polls and quizzes are your secret weapon. They have a very high engagement rate because they offer value. Viewers can test their knowledge or see what others think. And don't forget milestone or festival posts. Celebrating milestones or wishing your audience on festivals receives the most likes, even from people who don't usually watch your content. Next up, create a view chain. Did you know that almost 80% of viewers watch at least 3 or 4 videos before subscribing to a channel? A view chain is when someone watches multiple videos from your channel in a row, dramatically increasing the chances they'll subscribe. There are 2 types of view chains. An organic view chain happens when YouTube recommends your other videos after someone finishes watching one. For this, you need a clear niche and consistent branding in your thumbnails. An induced view chain is when you manually link to your other videos using end screens, creating a loop that keeps viewers watching. Now let's talk about the outlier method. Using tools like vidIQ, you can spot videos that performed 10 times, even 100 times better than your channel average. Analyze these outlier videos, study their formats, and replicate what works in your own niche. For example, Bill Wurtz's History of the Entire World, I Guess, was a 100 times outlier. Other creators adopted similar formats and saw massive spikes in views. Even small channels with just 11,000 subscribers got over 1 million views. To find these outliers, use vidIQ's free browser extension. If you want more, their paid boost plan shows you relevant outlier videos for your specific niche, and I have a 90% discount code for the first month. Finally, let's give your channel a glow-up. Your YouTube channel page is a major source of subscribers. For me, it accounted for over 250,000 subscribers, which is 30% of my total. Make your channel page visually appealing and professional. Focus on 3 things: your channel logo, your channel art, and thumbnail consistency. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for logo ideas and Leonardo.ai to generate your logo. Your channel banner should include your channel name in a good font and clearly state what your channel is about. And above all, keep your thumbnails consistent. Use the same font and brand colors to make your channel instantly recognizable. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to reaching 1,000 subscribers in just 15 days. Good luck. Credits: Script and Strategies by Decoding YT.